Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delightful pickle using dried mango. This guide will walk you through each step, from selecting your ingredients to the final storage. You'll learn how to create a tangy, aromatic condiment that's perfect with any meal. We'll cover everything you need to know to successfully prepare this unique and flavorful treat right in your own kitchen, ensuring a delicious result every time. To begin, you'll need about 250 grams of dried mango slices. For the base, prepare 100 milliliters of mustard oil. Essential spices include fenugreek seeds, fennel seeds, and mustard seeds, each about 5 grams. Don't forget 25 grams of salt and 10 grams of red chili powder for that perfect kick. These ingredients are crucial for developing the rich, authentic flavor of your homemade pickle. First, rehydrate your dried mango by soaking it in warm water for about 30 minutes until softened. Next, gently heat the mustard oil in a pan and temper your whole spices, fenugreek, fennel, and mustard seeds, until they become fragrant. Then, combine the rehydrated mango with these tempered spices and your powdered spices, including salt and chili powder. Mix everything thoroughly to ensure every piece of mango is beautifully coated. Once mixed, transfer your pickle into a clean, airtight glass jar. For optimal flavor development, allow the pickle to mature in direct sunlight for 5 to 7 days. Remember to shake the jar daily. This helps distribute the spices and flavors evenly. After maturation, store your delicious dried mango pickle in a cool, dry place. It will be ready to enjoy for many months, adding a burst of flavor to your meals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.